जिंदाबाद,
युवा कांग्रेस
जिंदाबाद,
जय भीम,
जय संविधान,
जय भीम,
जय संविधान,
जय भीम,
जय संविधान,
जय भीम,
जय संविधान,
युवा कांग्रेस
जिंदाबाद,
युवा कांग्रेस
जिंदाबाद,
युवा कांग्रेस
जिंदाबाद,
जय भीम,
जय संविधान,
जय भीम,
जय संविधान।
ओके ब्रीफ कर आमकां मॅडम काम कित्याक हो प्रोटेस्ट अरे विवेक पुढे डेस्क इंचार्ज डॉक्टर अंजलि निंबलकर, पीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट सर अमित पाटकर, एलओपी यूरी अलेमाव सर, ऑनरेबल एमपी कैप्टन विरियाटो सर, ऑनरेबल एमएलए एल्टन सर, तशेंच आमचे दोन्ही डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट बाब सावियो आणि बाब विरेंदर, आमचे सेवा दल चीफ, आमचे ओबीसी चीफ, आमचे यूथ काँग्रेसीचे नॉर्थ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट रोनाल्डो आणि तसेच आमचे बाकीचे यूथ मेंबर्स आणि तुम्ही सगळे प्रेस मिडिया भावांक, हांव महेश नाडार, गोवा प्रदेश युवा काँग्रेसीचो कार्यकारी अध्यक्ष, तुमकां सगळ्यांक नमस्कार आणि येवकार करता। आयज 134th बर्थ एनिवर्सरी आसा आंबेडकर सर आणि तांचो जयंतीचेर आमी लोकांक परत एकदा याद करून दिता तांचो कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन कितें आशिल्लो टुवर्ड्स द फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। आनी हो आयचो दीस आमी अशें तांकां याद करना, बट इट इज एवरी पॉयंट इन टायम वेर इन वी रिमेंबर डॉक्टर आंबेडकर। And Dr. Ambedkar always strived at the principles of equality, justice. So when you talk about social justice, there has been an erosion of social justice. The Bharatiya Jumla Party government that's there right now has completely shown its stance on SC, ST, has been silent on autocrats, on the Dalits. They have been silent on various occasions when the SC, ST, Yuva have been sidelined on various schemes. When we talk about education, Ambedkar always strived, believing that education should be free, should be accessible to everybody irrespective of caste, religion or socio-economic status. But today we see that most of the government institutions, most of the government universities where education has to be given free of cost, there is a price, there is a fee which is increased. Thus it makes the poor, the financially weak background, difficult to access education. You talk about employment, which is the crux and the right of every youth of our country, of our state. Employment is one particular aspect that we've been striving all through our term. But what is the government doing? They have not come up with any reforms, any policies to provide employment opportunities to the youth. Instead, they have been selling jobs not on the basis of merit, but on the basis of economic power and those who have influence. If today Dr. Ambedkar was alive, he would definitely condemn this act. We talk about inflation, the way the prices are skyrocketing. This does not talk about equality. We talk about social economic status, where one side the rich is becoming richer and the poor is becoming poorer. And you have just seen few days back the way the inflation, the way they increase the price of LPG by 50 rupees, irrespective of whether the common man will be able to afford it or no. They've been completely ignoring the day-to-day needs of the public. You talk about freedom of speech, freedom of expression, that the way our senior leaders have already spoken. Today, when any youth comes forward to speak against the government or tries to raise their grievances, they have been targeted, their family has been targeted, and there's a fear put in them that their future will be at stake. And that's the reason why a lot of youth do not come forward. Today again, if Dr. Ambedkar was alive, he would have definitely fought for this liberty of freedom of expression, freedom of thoughts. We again speak about jobs. There is a lot of scam going on jobs, and the way the BJP government is looting the youth, the BJP government is playing around with the youth. This is not what Ambedkar spoke about. Ambedkar always believed that it's a right for the youth to get the jobs when they finish their education. Dr. Ambedkar believed in unity, but what is happening today? Hindu Rashtra is not going to bring down the inflation. Whenever the government tries to make a wrong move, they bring religion, they bring XYZ to divert the attention of the youth. But this is not going to help. So we ask the youth to make sure that you do not indulge in such things, but focus on your future, on your job, on your education. Today we light this the torch in memory of Dr. Ambedkar, in honor of his ideals. And we believe that we will strive, the Youth Congress will strive to the principles of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, and we light this mashal today on the birth anniversary of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, believing that this is not just for the Panjim city, but this is for the entire Goa, and every youth, right from the north to the south, whoever faced injustice, whoever faced condemned, whoever faced rejection by this government, the Youth Congress under the leadership of all our senior leaders will be there for the youth. And we will be taking this to every assembly, every city, to make sure that the principles of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is not forgotten, and we strive to its values.
आयज आमी सगळे जमलेले आहा डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकराचे 134th बर्थ एनिवर्सरी मनोवपाक. तशेंच आमी यूथ काँग्रेस, वी आर सॅड टू से दॅट वी आर विक्टीम ऑफ constitution that is in danger. We are victim of all the undoings and wrongdoings of the current dispensation, the Bharatiya Janata Party. म्हाका दिसता Delhi, Babasaheb Ambedkar, he was a beacon, he is a beacon, and he will be a beacon for minorities and for the underprivileged. दुःखाची गजाल हे आहा की दिल्ली आमचे मायनॉरिटीचे एक पाम संडेचो जेन्ना पास आसता, वे ऑफ द क्रॉस म्हणटा आमी. It is sad to say that one of the parishes were denied permissions that to have the way of the cross, which happens every year for past many years. It's been going on, but since this new government has come in power, it's sad to say that they were denied permission to have the way of the cross, which is a religious sentiment for us Catholics, which is a peaceful and harmonious procession that every community of the Catholic fraternity has, and marks it on the day of Palm Sunday, that is yesterday. This is one of the steps. We condemn it. Ami Youth Congress, Goa Pradesh Youth Congress, we condemn this incident that has happened where they were not allowed the permission. As said, not only the minority, not only the underprivileged, but you see in जे इस्पान आमचे प्रेसिडेंटान सांगला, राजस्थानान पळय 100 दीस पयलीं जाल्ले पळय ते purification of the temple by a BJP leader, an ex-MLA, against a minority leader of the Congress party, because he entered. He was a Dalit who entered the temple, and teka तेजे मागीर ते purification act पळय जाल्ले. That is a shameful act. In Delhi, the act of denying permission for the way of the cross on Palm Sunday is another act, and अशे खूब incidents जाल्ले आहा आनी जाताय. We condemn these incidents, and we are sad to say that we are victims of these kind of incidents in the ruling government of the BJP. not only in our state but all across the country. And we mark and we condemn as Goa Pradesh Youth Congress. We not only condemn it in the state of Goa, but we condemn it all over India.
A very good evening and welcome to all. Today we celebrate the birth anniversary of Sri Baba Saheb Ambedkar, and today when we are holding this torch, we symbolize one more thing, a burning issue in Goa and India as well, of women. This symbolizes the burning sentiments of our women in Goa. How safe are the women in Goa? We see there is rapes, there are so many crimes against women that has been happening, murders. But what is this government doing? Nothing at all. We condemn, the Youth Congress condemn this act of the government for ignoring our women, ignoring our mothers, ignoring our sisters. This is the burning pain of our women in Goa. I spoiled to me, media, ki 25-30 people raped one girl. How saddening it is. And what is the government doing? Nothing. Event management chalu asa tengala. Angar tangar, they are having events, but the grim issue of the state of India is not highlighted. And we condemn this act. I won't speak much because our senior leaders have spoken on the unemployment front as well. But I urge to the government to protect the women of Goa and give them what they deserve. Thank you.
मला लेटर पाहिजे सीएमचं आहे कर्नाटक
युवा काँग्रेस
जिंदाबाद
जय भीम
जय संविधान
जय भीम
जय संविधान
जय भीम
जय संविधान.
I would just like to mention that this mashal will be lit till 12 o'clock and all our Youth Congress members will be sitting here till 12 in honor of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar.
आम्ही शमिला सिद्दीकीने सांगितलं की 10 कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी पॉईंटची आपण ते करप्ट आहे म्हणून त्याचे स्टेटमेंट
आज डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर हांची जयंती आयच्या दिसाक आता यूथ काँग्रेसीन सांगलें की पाम संडे जो काल जालो जी गेल्ली 15 वर्सां जी पीसफूल यात्रा आमचे क्रिस्तांव भाव जे काडटात दिल्ली कुरुतला प्रदक्षिणा म्हणटा ताका ती हे सरकार डिनाय करता. हे बीजेपीक पयलीं विचारा की तुमी बाबासाहेबाच्या विचाराचेर आसात काय तुमी आपलो अजेंडा चलोवपाक मुखार सरल्या. सो आय थिंक दॅट इज मोर इम्पॉर्टंट. कोण कितें उलयलो कोण आनी कितें केलो ताचेर आय थिंक वी शूड नॉट फोकस. टुडे म्हाका दिसता ते हांव कोण मिडिया ते म्हाका खबर ना तो सारको फूल वाचा. कितें जाता गडबडेन आमी फक्त हेडलायन्स वाचतात भितरले मॅटर वाचना. आय थिंक दॅट फूल मॅटर हॅज टू बी रेड आउट. आनी म्हाका दिसता आज प्रत्येक गोंयचो वोटर ह्या बीजेपीचेर पिडीत आहा. सो लेट्स यू नो लूक इन दॅट डायरेक्शन की आज हें सरकार कशें फेल जाला बाबा लोकांच्या विशयाचेर घेवन. जो मुख्यमंत्री 4 वर्सां जाली सेम भाशण रिपीट. ते मुख्यमंत्र्याक विचारा मरे की तूं 4 वर्सां जाली ते दलित समाजाच्या लोकांक जे बाबासाहेबाच्या विचाराचे जे लोक आहा तांकां तुमी फुटयता. एवरी इयर तेच भाशण कॉपी पेस्ट कितें चल्लां. दुसरें ताणें भाशणान उल्लेख केलो की जे लोक जांकां संविधानान अधिकार आसा रिझर्वेशनाचो आमचे लिडर राहुल गांधीचो डिमांड आसा की आज देशान कास्ट सेन्सस जावचो. मुख्यमंत्र्यान जो आज स्टेटमेंट केला ते पणजेच्या प्रोग्रामाक की जे रिझर्वेशन घेता आणि घरा बसता आणि अटेंडन्स लायना म्हाका दिसता इट इज अ स्टेटमेंट टू बी कंडेम. ही कॅनॉट मेक सच स्टेटमेंट. अरे रिझर्वेशन तांचो अधिकार. मुख्यमंत्र्याक खबर आसा की पेडणेचो मनीस थंय आज आयिल्लो काय ना तो कार्यक्रमाक तो पेडणे गेला आसतलो. जे लोक आज गोंयान जांचो अधिकार संविधानान आसा जांकां रिझर्वेशन मेळ्ळा अंडर संविधान मुख्यमंत्र्याक कसलोच अधिकार ना तांचो अपमान करपाक सेईंग की तांणी हजेरी कंपल्सरी लावपाक जाय म्हणून. काढून पळयात मुख्यमंत्र्याचो स्टेटमेंट. सो आय थिंक दॅट इज मोर सिरियस की कशा पद्दतीन हे बीजेपी लोकांक डिवायड करपाचो प्रयत्न करता.
पूण काँग्रेस इतल्या वर्सां जाले गोंयांत काँग्रेसीन कित्याक बांदूंक ना आंबेडकर भवन आमी काँग्रेसान कित्याक बांदूंक ना आंबेडकर भवन काँग्रेस इतल्या वर्सां जाले गोंयांत तेंच्यांनी कित्याक बांदूंक ना
आता बीजेपी मुख्यमंत्र्यान कितें सांगलें 4 वर्सां तो लोकांक फटयत आसा. 2027
म्हणटा इतल्या वर्सां
तूं हें रिकॉर्ड करून दवर 2027 काँग्रेसचें सरकार येतलें आनी ते पयलें काम आमी तें करता.
आंबेडकर भवन
जे आमचे लिडर राहुल गांधीन सांगला की कास्ट सेन्सस जावपाकूच जाय तो आमी ठामपणे आसा तातूंत आनी कांय कसलोच डबल मायंड ना तातूंत. सो म्हाका दिसता ह्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी 2027 जेन्ना आमचे सर खूब आहा गोंयान करपा सारके.
तुम्ही
लोकांक करप्ट म्हणप सारकें जेन्ना तुमी संविधानाचेर उलयतात तेन्ना लोकांक करप्ट म्हणप सारकें.
I mean, I don't know what context he was asking the question. हांवें तो फूल वाचूना. बट आय थिंक आज हे करप्शन पळय ह्या सरकारान चल्लां. आज युवकांक जॉब घेवपाक पयशे दिवचे पडटा मरे. हाज्या पेक्षा आनी कसली आय मीन इट्स सॅडनेस वॉट इज गोईंग ऑन. टोटल कोलॅप्स ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. आज तूं पयशे दिलो जाल्यार तुजें बाट कन्वर्ट जाता. हां तुजें आज नो डेव्हलपमेंट स्लोप कन्वर्ट जाता. खंयचे हाजेर पावले रे आमी आज युवकांक तूं आज बाबडो इतले पयशे येता पेट्रोल खंय पावले हाजेर म्हाका दिसता वी हॅव टू फोकस रादर दॅन यू नो गोईंग इन टू कोण हो कितें उलयलो तो कितें उलयलो. आय थिंक देर आर मोर सिरियस इश्यूज इन गोवा रादर दॅन फोकसिंग ऑन सच. आमी
कॉलिंग करप्ट इज करप्ट
अरे करप्ट हे जे 12 पळय ताजे कॅबिनेट सगळे करप्ट मंत्री
आनी गोंयचे
आणि हे म्हाका दिसता प्रत्येक गोंयकार आज फेस करता.